Howdy do. I saw you looking at my iPad handle. I made it myself. You can make one too. It's real simple. All you do is take some pipe insulation. I used the smallest one. I took two 5-inch rubber bands, about 3/4 of an inch wide. The pipe insulation already has a cut in it. Just slap it around your iPad, put a couple rubber bands top and bottom, and it holds very snug. Now, I took some Instamorph and made a little C-clamp for the bottom of mine. That works nicely and keeps the bottom nice and clear. I also did some decorating. Totally unnecessary, but it sure is dandy. Alright, this holds an iPad. You can hardly believe it. It's not going anywhere. You can make it a little bit long. That way, if it does get dropped, you've got some extra cushion there. Now, I did cut a little bit off of this side so it wouldn't overlap onto the screen. I haven't done it from this side, but I recommend it. If you want to know more about this or other do-it-yourself assistive technology, get a hold of us at www.at.mo.gov. That's at.mo.gov.